Hi. In this video, we learn how to divide two rational numbers. Okay. If you want to learn how to add, how to subtract and how to multiply, different videos are already made and you can check it from that. Now, the next topic, how to divide the two rational numbers. Firstly, there's question number 1, 8 by 15 by 2 by 6. Either it is written in this way, either it is written in this way. Okay, there is no difference in between them. Okay, in order to divide them, you simply write it as it is given. Now in place of by, you just make the sign of multiply. Clear? In place of by, you make the sign of multiply, and 2 by 6, you just make it reverse, that is 6 by 2. Okay, now it becomes 8 into 6 over 15 into 2. Now you cut down, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. So we had 4 twos are 8 and 5 ones are 5. So this is the answer. Here you can see 8 by 15 into 16 by 2. Okay, you make the sign of multiplication in place of division and just reverse this one. Never reverse the rational number which comes earlier. Always reverse the rational number which comes later. Clear? Now it becomes 8 into 16 over 15 into 2. Now it becomes 2 fours are 8. Nothing is cut down over here. That is 64 over 50. In this way, you divide rational numbers. I am going to explain you some little bit more examples. Now, if we have this question, 2 by 3 by 4. So, as we do earlier, we simply write 2 as it is over 1. In place of by, we write into 3 by 4. You have to reverse it, 4 by 3. Now it becomes 2 fours are 8, 3 ones are 3. Clear? Now here we have 4 by 10. By means into, that is 2. Just make it reverse. That becomes 1 by 2. Okay? You have to reverse the rational number which comes later. Always remember this. So it becomes 4 into 1, 10 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. What we have? 1 over 5. Clear? So if it is not given, nothing below the number, you make it as 1. Okay, and always reverse the digit which comes later or which comes after the sign of division, and before reversing it, change the sign of division with the multiplication. Now observe a rational number in which we also have negative signs. We write it as it is, 16 over 35. Change the sign of division with multiplication. Either it is written divide, either it is written by, it doesn't matter. Now reverse this one, it becomes minus 12 over 15. Now solve for the minus signs. So minus minus become plus. That means if there are two pairs, then it becomes plus. If there is one, then it remains as it is minus. Okay. So it becomes 16 into 12 35 into 15. Now divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Nothing is cut down. 64 over 5 5s are 25. 15, 16, 17. This is our answer. Observe one more question. Now we have this question in which one rational number has the negative sign, another rational number doesn't have any negative sign. Then how will we do that? We write 6 by 7 as it is, multiply reverse of this, that is 14 over minus 3. Now there is a sign of plus and there is a sign of minus. So in the answer we have minus. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. It becomes 4 over 1. Okay. So when you change the sign of division to multiplication, you have to reverse the later digit. If there are two minus sign, both get cancelled. Answer comes in the positive. If there is one minus sign, then answer comes in the negative. If there is nothing in the denominator, write 1 in the denominator. Now this is the question. We have 6 by 7. It means what? This is 6 by 7. Then we reverse it. 6 by 7 into 7 by 6. When we change divide with into, the digit is reversed. Clear? So it is get cancelled and ultimately we have 1. I think the concept of division must be clear in your mind. If you have got any problem, just rewind the video and watch it more carefully. In the next video, I will make some theoretical questions based on the division of rational numbers. Thank you.